Go home happy with the 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Bring your love of driving along on the family road trip. The Malibu is the safe, luxurious midsize car that satisfies your desire for driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors, alarm. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.